Hello and welcome to the Kenneth Vercammen Law Office Legal Podcast, the NJ Laws 2. In this edition, we look at Pre-Trial Intervention, PTI. What is PTI? Well, Pre-Trial Intervention Program in New Jersey provides defendants, generally first offenders, with opportunities for alternatives to the traditional criminal justice process of ordinary prosecution. PTI seeks to render early rehabilitative services when such services can reasonably be expected to deter future criminal behavior. The PTI program is based upon a rehabilitative model that recognizes that there may be an apparent causal relationship between the offense caused and the rehabilitative needs of a defendant. Further, the model emphasizes that social, cultural, and economic conditions often result in a defendant's decision to commit their first criminal offense. Therefore, PTI strives to solve personal problems which tend to result in conditions that appear to cause crime and ultimately deter future criminal behavior by the defendant. What are the benefits of the pre-trial intervention program? If PTI is successfully completed, there is no record of a conviction and the defendant avoids a stigma of a criminal conviction. Although no record of a conviction exists, the defendant is recommended to go through an expungement to remove any record of the original arrest. Early intervention allows someone to stop the prosecution. Therefore, it's important that they contact an attorney and apply for this PTI right away. So PTI provides early resolution of a case which serves the best interests of the defendant, the victim, the public, and the whole court system. Now, what are the conditions of participation in pre-trial intervention? Supervision under the PTI program can run from 12 months to 3 years, and supervision is provided by the probation department. Certain standard conditions are imposed on those accepted to PTI, such as random urine monitoring, even if it's not a drug offense, assessment of fees, penalties, and fines. Other conditions may also be imposed to require performance of community service, payment of restitution, submission to psychological and/or drug and alcohol evaluations with compliance to recommended treatment. Generally, I tell people you do whatever probation asks you to do that's legal, and oftentimes you're also required to either work full-time or be in school full-time. If a defendant successfully completes all the conditions of PTI, then the original charge is dismissed on the recommendation of the program director and then eventually by the judge on the record. So, for many people, PTI is a win-win situation. Who's eligible for PTI? Any defendant who's charged with an indictable offense may apply if it's a third or fourth degree offenses. Let's see. It has to be in New Jersey, and it only applies to criminal charges, no traffic charges. Let's see. There's an application fee, so we recommend that someone who's charged with a criminal offense immediately sit down with a criminal attorney and go over their options. For additional information on PTI, pre-trial intervention, go to website www.njlaws.com. That's njlaws.com, or benotguilty.com. That's benotguilty.com. For representation, contact the Law Office of Kenneth Vercammen, 732-572-0500. Also at 1-800-NJ-LAWS-7, that's NJLAWS-7, located at 2053 Woodbridge Avenue, Edison, New Jersey. Thank you and good luck.